Hey guys, it's me again and welcome back to my channel, Chicha's Toy Collection. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my Play-Doh collection. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with my Sweet Shop Play-Doh playset. Now I have two of these actually, so I'm just gonna show you how it works. Now over here we have to make a cake, so we're gonna take this little platform, and then we're gonna put it in front of this little thingy, and then you're gonna choose your little cake cutter. I'm gonna choose the hard one. And then you have to attach it to the little leather thingy. Okay, I don't actually have Play-Doh to show you guys the final result, but let's just pretend there's Play-Doh. Okay, so now that you have your little cake shape, we're gonna push it down, and then it's supposed to make a little heart cake. Okay, so we're going to take our platform and we're going to move it over to the decorating station. Okay, there we go. Now over here we have an extruder. This is ginormous. Actually the biggest extruder I have. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is pick a piping tip. I'll go for classic circle. And then what you're going to do is you're going to secure that in place. Oopsies! That's so fancy. And then you're going to put your Play-Doh in here. Let's just pretend again. And then you're going to put this over here. And then you can squeeze it while turning the little platform over here. Now that's really nice and handy because I feel like it's much easier to have a turning table, because when you're decorating a cake, it's really hard if you have a cake stand that's just like stuck in one place. So I really find it cool and handy. Okay, so let's just say we have a cake over here. We have a little cake stand over here. Now we're going to take the little dome off. Just say slide our cake over there, and you can display your cake. Now I'm going to show you some more things about the Sweet Shop playset. Now on the base of this we have some molds. So we have cookies, we have pretzels, kind of reminds me of the Auntie Anne's pretzels that my aunt really loves. We have candies, we got wafers, we got so many different molds, and that's what I really like about this Play-Doh playset, is because not only do you get to play with the cake making things, you can also make different things like pretzels and other things. Okay guys, so I was thinking and I was like, ooh, why don't I share a riddle with you guys? So I'm gonna tell you my first riddle. What travels around the world in a corner? Put your answers in the comment section down below. I can't wait to read them. Okay, so that's it for the cake maker. Now let's move on to the candy cyclone gumball machine. Okay, so we have our candy cyclone gumball machine over here. It's a really nice bright red color. Now how this works is you roll up some clay and then you put it inside here, and then you're supposed to turn this, and then gumballs will come out. And if you want, you can just keep them that way. But there's also a next step. You take one of these two plates. Let's choose the blue one because I really love this color. And let's see, what shape or what candy do you like? I'm going to go for the little circle one because it reminds me a lot of my favorite chocolate. So yeah, you're going to take your little gumball, put it inside the mold, and then you squish this down. Okay, now I'm going to show you some of the other things that come with the set. So we have 2 of these little lollipop sticks, one in yellow and one in green. We have 1 popsicle stick, or 2. Here's the other one because this one's in the back. Yeah. Super duper nice and super duper neat. Also has lots of molds even at the back. Like look at that. So many molds to play with. That's why I love Play-Doh so much. Okay, now should we move on to the cake or the ice cream? I'll go with the ice cream because you have to save the best for last. So we have my ice cream machine over here. Now how this works is you're supposed to pull this lever up and then you put your plate inside. But you're not going to push it yet. You're going to select your shape. So over here it says you can use this little X, a flower, and a square. Let's just say we're going for the square. And then you're going to take one of these ice cream cones or one of these cups. Let's go with an ice cream cone. And then you're going to push this while slowly turning the ice cream cone so that it looks like a soft serve ice cream. Easy, right? Okay, so once you have your ice cream done, or let's just say, you go over here to the whipped cream station. Now how this works is a mini extruder over here. You get some white clay, put it in there, and then push it, and then you can get some whipped cream out. It's up to you. If you don't want whipped cream, it's totally fine. Now over here we have our sprinkle making little station over here. Now let's just this way. And over here we can actually stuff Play-Doh inside. I can't really open it because it's stuck. And then, oh, there you go. It's dirty inside. I don't want this one inside. Okay. Anyways. There, and then you're supposed to turn it, and then underneath it's supposed to cut different shapes of the Play-Doh so that it will turn into sprinkles. Cool, right? And of course, we have lots of molds as well. Now over here, you're supposed to put clay inside, and then you're supposed to do this so that it looks like some kind of, I don't know, firework, I think. Some of the other things that come with this set are these 2 little ice cream cups and 2 little ice cream sundae little cups. Now over here, this one actually belongs to the ice cream part as well. So we have an ice cream scooper, which is super cute. A smaller ice cream scooper, and a spoon for eating. Of course you need a spoon. How are you gonna eat your ice cream? With your hands? No, definitely not. Okay, so I have another Play-Doh playset over here. This is one of my smaller playsets, but I still really like it. So over here we have my Play-Doh oven. So how this works, you pick out your mold of choice. I'm gonna pick this one because it looks super yummy. It kind of has like cookies and little chocolate swirls. Really amazing. I'm craving for cookies. Okay, so you're gonna take your Play-Doh oven. And then I'm gonna open it. Oh, by the way, you're supposed to put clay inside of these. And then you're supposed to put it inside the oven, like so. And then you press it down so that the clay spreads evenly through the mold. And once you take it out, you have your cookies. Well, I don't have cookies right now, but if I have Play-Doh, I'll try it. I'm sad I don't have Play-Doh because I can't. Yeah. Okay, now on to the last Play-Doh place I have, which is also the best, because you know they say save the best for last. This one's actually given to me by my mom on my 5th birthday, I believe. So this is the cake maker one. Also a cake maker like this one, but I really like this one even better because it's much more colorful and much more bright, in my opinion. So over here we have 6 candles. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. And then we have a little rolling pin, which has some little spiral detail. So when you roll out the Play-Doh, you can actually have a little spiral design on it. You have your little extruder, your fork, your knife, your 2 plates, and your 3 cake molds. Now how this works is you first you take this off, and then you pick your mold of choice. Let's just use this one because it's a heart. You know, guys, I love it so much. And then we're gonna put Play-Doh inside. No, sorry. How does this work? I forgot. Okay, yeah, I remember now. You take this and then you put it inside right there. And then you're supposed to put like a ball of Play-Doh over here. And then you're supposed to close it, and then you're gonna push this little button, I think. I don't know. This little thing on the top. Kind of like a buzzer, I believe. And then you use this little handy dandy little thing at the side to bring out your cake. So I'm just showing my face. Okay, so now once you have your cake, you can decorate it. You can use some of the molds in the play set as well. So we have lots of cookies, we have lots of peanuts, we have lots of donuts, so many yummy treats that you would find in real life, which I really love. Now, I've shown you all my play sets, but I haven't shown you all my molds. So over here we have this Play-Doh bucket, which I believe is given to me by my grandma. This one is the animal bucket. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Oh, look at how cute this is. I love elephants. So look at this little elephant mold. We have a little dolphin. I like narwhals better. Why isn't there narwhal? Okay, anyways, we have a little rabbit, a little teddy bear, and lots more. I really like this set because it's very handy. If you want like a quick toy, you can just like get this. It's super duper nice and super duper cool as well. Now over here I have some tools. So we got some rolling pins, some spoons, a knife, a cake server, 3 molds, 2 forks. Moving over here, we have even more. Now we have 3 more molds, 3 cookie cutters, 4 more molds, this little Fun Factory extruder. So what you do is you put the clay inside, and then you get one of these, and then you attach it over there, and then you squeeze it out, and then you can, get your design of choice. We have some knives. We have some spoons as well, and we have these little things that get attached to the end of the little extruder. Now I have one last riddle for you guys. Comment down below your answer, okay? Okay, now I'm going to tell you the riddle. What has an eye but cannot see? I can't wait to read your answer. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Bye!